In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Funnelish to Shopify. This is a great way to streamline your e-commerce operations and maximize your sales potential by integrating two powerful platforms. Let's get started. First, ensure you have an active Shopify account and a Funnelish account up and running. These will serve as the backbone of the integration process. Go ahead and log into your Shopify dashboard. Here, you'll find all your store settings and data at your fingertips. Once you're in, we're going to prepare for the integration by checking if there are any updates needed on your Shopify account. Keeping everything updated helps prevent compatibility issues later on. Next, let's head over to Funnelish. After logging into your Funnelish account, navigate to the Integrations section. This is where the magic happens, linking different platforms to work seamlessly together with your online store. Find the option for Shopify in the list of available integrations. Clicking on this will initiate the connection process between the two platforms. Now, you'll see a pop-up window prompting you to enter your Shopify Store link. Head back to your Shopify dashboard for a moment and copy the URL of your store. Make sure to copy the entire address to ensure nothing goes amiss during this process, as even a small error could cause a delay in connecting the two services. Paste this URL into the designated box within Funnelish and then click on Connect. This step will bridge your Shopify store with Funnelish, creating a direct line for data and functionality to flow between them. The next step involves authorizing the connection. It's essential to grant the necessary permissions that allow Funnelish to access your Shopify store's data. Without this, Funnelish won't be able to synchronize information such as product listings, customer details, or sales data. Carefully review the permissions requested during this stage to ensure they align with your security and operational preferences. Once you are satisfied, confirm the authorization. Now that the connection has been made, it's time to test if everything is working as expected. Head back to your Shopify dashboard and visit your products or orders page. You should notice a new presence, indicating that Funnelish is successfully integrated and operational. Double-check that the products you have in Shopify are correctly syncing with Funnelish by running a test order or product update. Finally, you may want to explore the options and settings in your Funnelish account to fine-tune the integration. Customize it to better fit your business needs by adjusting what data gets synchronized and how sales are tracked or displayed. Connecting Funnelish to Shopify might seem a little technical at first, but once you walk through these steps, it becomes a straightforward process. This setup will enable you to leverage both platforms to optimize your sales funnel actively. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!